So we are in the Gran Destino Tower on floor 4. And we are in room 442, which is a bit of an old-fashioned soccer formation. I've got to say soccer as we're in the States. And Danielle not included with this room.
No, but I can be if you pay for it.
Well then. Right, so one thing I do like, loads of space straight away for our luggage. Really helpful to be able to just wheel all 3 cases in there. The first thing that you come to when you enter the tower rooms is is the bathroom. Now, when I compare this to some of the other Coronado Springs rooms I've stayed in, this room itself is massive. It is huge. It is enormous. And yes, Dan, there are...
We've never had mouthwash before.
Mouthwash products,
well,
indeed. The shower is exactly the same as you would get in the normal Coronado rooms, I believe, from memory. So you've got the waterfall shower.
Nice.
Very, very nice over there. And we really like, because we have this at Riviera, you've got a shelf. There's a shelf. It's H2O products, don't be fooled.
There's a light in the shower too.
There is. There is also a washing line, as you can see there, and a loose shower head as well if you need it. We quite like these runaway trays, they're very good.
We want one in our house.
Sorry?
We want one in our house.
You know how we can afford one in our house?
Nah.
Yeah, there we go. Toilet. I hate these buttons and I hate these lights because they're like that. There we go. I seem to think these are the sensor things. I keep pressing it and it's not doing anything. 2 sinks, so
Very
one for
nice
me,
sinks,
one for
actually.
Dan. Cupboards underneath as well. And, oh, go on, you were going to say?
I appreciate, as someone who washes her face in said sink, that it's a slope down.
Yes.
So it starts off a little bit shallower and then it's quite deep at the back.
Yes. PowerPoints as well.
And
Always good to have PowerPoints.
Both sides too?
Yes. As I just said, there is one on the outside. And tissues. Big mirror. Because, you know, it looks good on you. Reflects well, some would say.
Those mirrors don't, they're awful.
Right. Wardrobe. Massive wardrobe. Massive. Ooh.
Ooh, that light.
You know what I love most about this?
Oh, an iron.
A luggage rack. No, a luggage rack. I love a luggage rack. Safe, innit?
Mirror.
But yes, irons, no time to hang about. Spare pillows and blankets. And if you're feeling quite impressive, an ironing board. Yes, big mirror. Hi, me. What?
Nothing.
Dan's right, that TV is huge.
It is, isn't it?
It is massive. I like this. I appreciate this space right here. I like this.
It's very Port Orleans.
Yes. Dan has her Keurig.
But I don't just have my Keurig. You have your Keurig too.
Ooh, yes please, for tomorrow morning, thank you. Although, didn't we have something similar in the Disneyland hotel and it was shocking?
Disney's blend of Joffrey's coffee.
You do.
I've got 3 of them.
Ice bucket as well, and I like a high shelf. Good for putting kids up if they misbehave.
Clean.
It's clean as well, we like that. Again, simple things. A lamp with charging space.
Not just charger spots.
Oh, Disney, yes, you're
I don't
spoiling
think
us.
that's my hair. Ignore that.
Yeah, no, we like that. That's good. Okay. Anyway, let's talk about the beds. PowerPoints there. Mirror controls for the aircon. Something's happened to Danielle.
I love a Disney bed. There is something, a Disney bed and a Disney cruise line bed.
Brilliant. We also have here the lighting, but also, again, USB-A's at the front, PowerPoints on top, telephones.
Do we have one? There it is.
Standard. Big drawer spaces. Again, we are only here for a couple of nights. I'm kind of sad that we're only here for a couple of nights, to be honest. For now. But yeah. And then we're not really going to be able to show you too much now. We do have one of the Mickey Mouse Alexas, which is always good.
We just go.
Yeah, we normally take the plug out, but yeah, and I like this lamp. I also really like this chair too. Something about this chair just looks comfy. We can't currently show you the view.
Would we be able to see fireworks from here?
I don't know, because I think we're the wrong side for Epcot. Because I think Epcot is off to the right over there.
What about MK?
Possibly not.
Way, won't it?
Possibly not. Anyway, thoughts on the room?
It's nice.
You know what I need to do? Bed test is quite high. I'm going to hurt myself.
You also don't have a lot of room behind you.
No.
Don't do what you did yesterday.
What, I need to break my neck?
And do exactly what you're trying to do there. Oh, that was quite smooth, actually.
Actually, I feel quite good after that. And then...
And then there was an earthquake in Florida.
The comfy, I'll give them that. Oh.
We have come to the end of our really rapid 2-night stay here at Coronado Springs. That's really hard to say. That condensation is outside the window.
I know.
It's been an okay stay. I think I have one somewhat large complaint. Paul's just walked past the camera, running away. Is that there doesn't seem to be a large amount of soundproofing, especially, and it's all near the front door. In that last night, people were walking past, and like I was brushing my teeth, and it felt like they were in the room. Would you agree?
They were also very loud people.
They were. But even this morning,
it's the one occasion across the whole time that we've been here where it's felt like somebody's been.
well, you've been asleep. There's been a lot. I've heard a lot.
Tired.
But other than that, I think the room was really great. We didn't use this bed at all. This was suitcase storage. But the beds were very comfortable, as is always a Disney bed. Really big room. As Adrian would say, a lot of space for activities. TV, very, very big TV, which was great. Bathroom, perfectly fine. Although the shower did not have a lot of pressure.
No, big criticism.
And it was a bit of a mission to wash my hair.
Also found that no matter whether you use the top shower or the lower shower, both dripped.
Yeah, I think that there's potentially, so there's a lever that you have to switch to change it from like shower head to rainfall shower. I think there's probably a problem there. It might be like lime scale or something.
There's lime scale coming right down from the pipe.
Yeah, and there isn't, like it doesn't fully close. So I think that's actually what the problem is rather than the actual shower. But you can tell that we're like on what I would call like an edge, and that there must be quite a lot of pipes probably there, because anytime people above, next to whatever flush their toilet, we could hear it really loudly. But other than that, I'd stay here again.
That's good.
I like the tower. I think we were saying this last night. I think I like the tower. I would like to try the other rooms because they are very much, this tower gives me sort of deluxe vibes in that your corridors are internal, whereas the main buildings outside are...
The ranchos and the cabanas.
The main buildings outside are...
casitas, no, ranchos and casitas, sorry.
Got it wrong. They are the traditional moderate style where the entrance to your room is outside. And that's always what I've always stayed in until being with you.
You're welcome.
And I find that they are, interestingly, a lot quieter because there's kind of space for sound to disperse outside. So, yeah.
The room was good. Did for what we needed it for.
Yeah, we were only here 2 nights and we were hardly here, to be honest. So
that's very true.
Yeah, but thanks for watching our room tour. It's been fun.
The next room tour will be the treasure room tour. Yeah,
we have a veranda room.
And we have a cat to swing.
Bernie's coming with us. So we'll see you on the treasure. Bye-bye.